Say hi.
Hello.
And your name is?
My name is Katie.
Yeah, I zoomed in on your nose.
Stop it. No. Stop.
How do you know what I'm doing? Oh, yeah, because you can
I
see.
can watch the TV tard.
Whoa. Who's recording this? Whoa!
Dude.
How cool is that?
That's like the coolest thing ever.
Hi. My name is Sydney. And this is the coolest thing I've ever seen, so I'm going to keep doing it.
How does it do that?
Caitlin, look.
I can see that.
How cool is that? Look, there's Caitlin.
That's pretty amazing. You just want to like film us just doing random crap and Katie explaining her stalker.
Dude, we should hi there. We should
Hi
put this
there.
on YouTube like
I
right
like
now.
your hair.
Narwhals swimming in the ocean, causing a commotion, because they are so awesome. Narwhals swimming in the ocean, pretty big and pretty wide, and pull up polar bear in a fight like an underwater unicorn. They got a kick a facial horn.
They are the Jedi of the sea. They stop commemorating ye.
Narwhals, they are narwhals. Narwhals, just don't let them touch your balls. Narwhals, they are narwhals. Narwhals.
Inventors of the shish kebab.
Woo! Okay. This will be on YouTube, okay? We love you, bye.